Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. Today we have a fun activity to boost your English listening skills. You will listen to 10 audio clips, and you need to choose the correct answer from 3 options. Listen carefully. Each audio clip will play twice, and then I will show the correct answer on the screen. Don't forget to keep score. How many correct answers will you get out of 10? Write your score in the comments. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Speaker 1.
Where are my keys? Where are my keys?
They're in the kitchen table.
Speaker 2.
I have a cold. I have a cold.
I hope you feel better soon.
Speaker 3.
Can you make lunch today? Can you make lunch today?
Sure. What would you like?
Speaker 4.
I am so tired today. I am so tired today.
Did you sleep well last night?
Speaker 5.
Can you help me with my homework? Can you help me with my homework?
Of course. What subject is it?
Speaker 6.
What does he do? What does he do?
He's an architect.
Speaker 7.
My sister just got a new job. My sister just got a new job.
That's great. What does she do?
Speaker 8.
My friend is moving to a new city. My friend is moving to a new city.
That's great. Where to?
Speaker 9.
It's really cold outside. It's really cold outside.
Do you want to borrow my jacket?
Speaker 10.
I need to buy a gift for my mom. I need to buy a gift for my mom.
What is she like? Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.